I just got an offer to sell me a new car and they're going to finance it. Should I take it? I got that question today from a client that I had just filed a Chapter 7 bankruptcy for. And the question is, should she take the new loan? I'm going to answer that question for you in this video. Hi, I'm bankruptcy attorney Dan Scott, and I want to talk with you today about the question of whether you should incur new debt to buy a new automobile immediately after you filed a Chapter 7 case. One of the things that happens after you file a case is that you get all kinds of invitations from car lenders saying, come on down, we're going to refinance, we're going to finance you into a new car. We know you've got an old car, let's get you a new car. Why is it that they would do that? Here's why. You cannot file a new Chapter 7 case for 8 years from the day you filed this case. And so if you look at it from a creditor standpoint, they say, look, this is great stuff, man. We know that they can't file a new Chapter 7 case. We know that they'll slug along trying to make these payments. We know they've been overburdened with debt. They've been struggling, and that's true with almost every single client that I have that I file a bankruptcy case for. They know that, and then they feed on your desire to improve things. And the next thing you know, you've gone down there and spent $25,000, $35,000, and heck, man, it's $430 a month. Look, you're not paying me that credit card anymore. Man, you can make this $430 a month payment, and you drive out of there in a car that smells brand new. Do you ever wonder why they want you to sit in the car? The reason why they want you to sit in the car, because that smell, that new car smell, it gets you excited. And so you sit in that car, and then the chances are you're going to say yes to buying another one. But that's neither here nor there. That's just conventional sales technique. But the deal is, when you get into a Chapter 7, what you're trying to do is get out of debt. You want to get out of debt. Now look, everybody's got to have wheels. Everybody's got to have wheels. So normally when we file a bankruptcy case, we know we've got a car almost every time that car is financed by somebody. And we're going to try to keep it inside the Chapter 7 case by doing what's called a Reaffirmation Agreement. And we do that in, probably 85% of the Chapter 7 cases I file. We make a deal with the creditor that we're going to treat that creditor as if that creditor is not in bankruptcy with us. They're outside the bankruptcy. We're going to keep making those payments. But the difference between that creditor and this new car creditor is usually tens of thousands of dollars. You with me? Now, you're not going to focus on that. What you're going to focus on is the payment. But can I share this with you? You can get free of debt as a result of making your payments in your Chapter 7 when we reaffirm the debt. But if you go get you a new car with a new loan with a 6 or 7 year repayment plan, you're going to enslave yourself again for 6 or 7 years. My encouragement to you is don't do it. Don't do it. You say, well, wait a minute, Dan, I owe more money than that car's worth. Yeah, but guess what? You're fixing to owe more money than that new car's worth. Because the minute you drive it off the lot, it's going to lose 20% of its value. If you're fortunate, it's just 20%. So don't get sucked in to the good advertising, to the promotion, and the great salesman that the car salesmen are when you go down to the lot. Look, they do this for a living. If they can't sell you, what are they doing? For most of you, not getting a new car is a good thing. Now, I don't know about your specific situation. I just know, having represented clients for over 37 years, that most of the time it's not a good deal for you to go out and get a new car. You further enslave yourself to debt, and my goal for you is to get you out of debt, to get your bankruptcy discharged, so you don't owe anything but the payment on the car you've got, so you can pay out that loan and then get your title back. I hope this is helpful to you. My goal for you is that you can get financial freedom, but it's up to you. It is absolutely up to you. But you can do it. You can do it. Talk soon. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, would you go ahead and like our page? And maybe you can mash the bell, and you'll get notifications when we open a new video. And we do that pretty much all the time. Thanks for watching.